Hey there, friends and followers, it's Louise at Zen Life, sharing simple stress release techniques so that you can survive and thrive through the current challenge. Today is the 1st of May. Let's begin again at A. A is for acceptance. Accepting where you are in this moment. Stress is often seen as wanting to be there when we're here. So wanting to be somewhere else. Whether you have managed to learn 4 languages while locked down, or whether you have not, whether you have managed to stay in shape or not, whatever is. When we can accept ourselves as we are, that releases a lot of the stress that we can feel. So today, accepting you as you. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Louise at Zen Life.